Hello, I'm Stephen Watson of Someday Farm. I'm here at Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Uh, Thank you for your support. Thank you for your donations. Thanks for your kindnesses, your comments, your shares, your subscriptions, your online reviews. Should only just take a couple minutes, and certainly something like patreon.com/somedayfarm will allow you to join for a couple bucks a month. Buy me lunch every month, help support this work. Anyway, I have a class starting in about 10 minutes. Not sure who's coming. There's a bunch of flies or some kind of mosquito-y thing around. Not getting bitten yet, but they're sort of pestery. So I'm kind of wondering how the class will go in terms of that. Wondering a few different people that said they might be coming. So I have thoughts about what I might teach. I have some other thoughts that I might teach, but also the rain. The report said the rain may be coming, and that would shift what I teach as well. So I have all these kind of things running around in my brain. Class will start in about 10 minutes. And so what I've been doing here for the last 2 minutes is just trying to use my Tai Chi to be present, right? I don't even like the term use the Tai Chi, but I want to offer myself to the Tai Chi Chuan with the idea that I'm here in this weight shift, I'm here in this breath, I'm here in this expression of energy. I don't need to have my brain running around and planning and thinking and worrying and considering. I can just be here doing this push. I can just be here doing this sai. I can be just here doing this kaujin, and that's it. Um, I find it helpful to be in nature, so I hear the birds and hear the breeze and so forth. That can be nice. But just saying, instead of doing this worrying, maybe catch a 90-second practice, maybe catch a 45-second practice, maybe catch a 2.5-minute practice, and give yourself fully to that because we know that's healthy. The overthinking is not. Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.